So I just got back from the gym and I've received the new, oh god, sorry about that. I've received the new Mavic 4 Pro. So I thought instead of waiting to do a fancy unboxing, I thought it's best to just get on with it and show you guys. So this, my friends, is the new Mavic 4 Pro. I climb mountains with these things, so I felt the other big controller was not going to work for me, because if I was doing some sort of scrambling and maybe I wanted to strap it around my neck, if I close the screen, would that affect the sticks and to stop whatever I'm doing or move the drone from whatever angle I'm in? So that's why I didn't go for the other one, the Pro 1, Pro 2, I think, the Pro 2. So yeah, let's get on with it. Let's see what the Mavic 4 looks like. I can't swear to you how long I've been waiting for this particular drone. I'm particularly excited, and at least if I get to show it to you guys now, I can just get out and go to some test flights, because I'm going to one of the most remote parts of Scotland this weekend, and it would be a good thing to take the drone with me. So yeah, that's the box. That's the box. There's not much to it actually, just this, and then the actual drone on the other side. And here it comes in this bag, just nice, plain and simple. But guys like me, we don't use the bag. I'll just strip it out and yeah, just break it down, put it in my own personal bag that I use for hiking, because most of the time I'm flying these things when I'm in the mountains. And I was thinking about the weight as well when I was thinking about that controller. So I think, yeah, this is the battery, because I chose the Fly More combo. So I've got 2 extra batteries here. Actually, I'll open it up for you guys. I'll make it quick, because yeah, I don't have time. I'm quite excited as well. I need to go try it. So that's the battery. Apparently it doesn't fall off. It's compact, it's lighter, and you can see that over here. And it's got a USB over here as well. Actually, it does have a power on button. It has a power on button as well. So 2 batteries in there currently. The 3rd battery will sit here. Unfortunately, this does not work with Mavic 3 Pro. So if you do have Mavic 3, the batteries won't work with it, unfortunately. I've got the extra propellers here and maybe the actual propeller. I don't know if the propeller comes with the actual drone or we have to put it ourselves. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, so this is the drone. Come on. Sorry about the noise. Good thing I'm not using a mic as well, because yeah, you'd probably be deaf by now. If you've not subscribed, guys, remember to subscribe. That's the way you can support the channel. Like, share this with your friends, and this is it. This is the moment we've been waiting for. The Mavic 4 Pro. Absolutely wicked. And it's quite nice the way they strap it as well. So I think, where is it? That's it. And it goes on here. So you know, previously you couldn't access the batteries, but now you can just access the batteries quite easily, which is good. You can access the memory card slots as well, which is good. Sorry, I'm not showing you guys too much, but the propellers are already on there, so it's pretty much ready to fly. And apparently if you just unfold the arms, it comes on automatically. Let's see. Ooh. Do I have to break a seal? Do I have to do something? It's not coming on. What's going on? It's not coming on. Do I have to do something? Yeah, it's got battery. Yep, there you go. Okay, so you need to press the power button at least once. So yeah, I guess those guys that have been turning it on, they've already done that. So you need to press the power button at least once before it turns on automatically. Anyways, that's a quick review. If you'd like to see shots from the Mavic 4 Pro, subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch up with you on the next one. Peace out.